Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. This video is actually about how to sign up Dash app fully on Android without the use of iPhone at all. I noticed a lot of people have been complaining that there's no way you can sign up Dash app on Android. You need an iPhone to activate your card or blah blah blah, different things. I've been hearing that lately, but I'll show you how to go about registering fully on your Android phone. All you just need to do now is download old Dash app and the new one, but not just any new one. I'll drop a link for the old one, and I'll also drop a screenshot of the new one. I don't have the link for the new one, but I have the screenshot of the version, the exact version you need to download for the new one. It's not the very new one, but it's the one that carries this. Is it the one that carries a green logo? It's the new one that actually has a green logo. The old one has a more like purple or maroon color, if I'm not mistaken. But what you need right now, for those who are yet to sign up, let's assume okay, I already have an account active, but for the purpose of tutorial, for the purpose of this video rather, I'll just show you how it works. Though you might not be seeing it, but I'll just explain everything. Though this app, when you download it, you can see that's one of the problem with this app. It's auto crash. It's crash immediately you open the app. But if you're opening it for the first time, and you want to activate card, you need to be very fast, because once you open the app, below where this card is, let me show you what I mean when I say you need to be very fast. You can see I had to rush and click on the card before it crash. But for you that don't have card yet, you can also do that. So you now come back, then you now click on activate card. You need to be fast still. This is the best app when it comes to activating card. All you need is 600 naira, but I'll urge you to at least fund 1,200 just to be on safe side. Fund 1,200, then click on, once you open the app before it's crashed, click on activate card. Once you click on activate card, it automatically it will show you to update mail. Or sorry, before you activate card, it will take you to update mail first. That update mail, this is also the best app for you to get your mail. Once you click on update mail, the next thing you need to do is go to your mail. Go to your Gmail account. If you're using a Gmail account, you can use either some are saying Yahoo is better or something. Both works fine for me. They all work fine for me. So this is what you need to do. Just go to your spam message, come to spam message, just refresh your spam message. You definitely see it in your spam messages. It will be there. So once you don't mind, it's because I've actually moved it from spam to normal inbox. I would have shown you. Let me check Dash, so you can see this is how it will come in this form. I don't know, something is wrong, but this is how it will come. Actually, you can see it say verify email, start using Dash app, you need this and that. So once you click on that, make sure you are verifying the email on the same phone where the app is. If you're using a different phone, it will not work. Everything, make sure the email you are using and the app you're using, they are all on the same phones. So now, for those who are having issues with their limits, you don't know if you've exhausted your limit or something, you can check your limits. Let me show you that. Let me input my pin, so you can actually check your limit. All you need to do is, oh, this thing has crashed, so you just need to be fast. I'll click on where you see the logo or sign of my name, initial, at the top. That's more like my profile at the top here. You can see it. I've clicked it. So not rewards. Oh my god, this app is crazy. Come in. But I think you can all see it now. Okay, let me just so as you can see, once you click on that site, once you open the app, immediately you open the app, you see your profile initial here around this side. that's what you click immediately, so that I don't want to waste our time. That's why I had to pause the video. So this is where you see your limits. You can see limits here. You can see limits. You can see it shows that I've exhausted my limits. That's why you're seeing 0.00 left. So this is 300,000 naira per week. So it means I've exhausted it. So that's that for this. So if that's what you need this app for, this particular updated app, it is used for activating your card and updating your email. That's the most important thing you need it for. So when it comes to the other one, you need that one. That's the old app. So what I'll need to do is, to show you how it works, I'll need to uninstall this one. I need to uninstall this. Uninstall. That's if you're using one phone, you need to be uninstalling and installing and uninstalling and installing. So now, since we are using one phone, I'm doing this. I have a second phone which I use, but I'm doing this for the purpose of those who doesn't have two phones, so that it can be easier for them. For if you have your two phones, what you just need to do is have the old one on one phone, then have the new one on the other phone. But for those who are using one, just uninstall the new one, then download the old one. I'll drop the link for where you can get the old one. That one it's easier. And for those who have me on WhatsApp, who have my contact or something, I can just forward it to you on what is it called, on WhatsApp. Both the new one and the old one, you can use them on WhatsApp. You can see the earlier one I downloaded, which it didn't work. It did not work as well for activating cards. So it was the 3.0.5 that later worked. So I will be showing you this. This is the old one, the one below. You can see the color. It's kind of purple in nature. That's the old one. That's what we need. That's what you use to top up your account. Let's install the app. Yeah, app installing. You can see it's 2.0.08. That's what you need for top up. So now I need to sign in my account. If you can use this to for the purpose of those who want to start from beginning. What you need to do is sign up, create an account rather. If you're a Nigerian, if you're a Ghanaian, use Ghanaian. I'm using as a Nigerian. You can use any phone number. Once you use your phone number, you use the phone number you want to be using for the app. Once you use the phone number, then you will see where they will ask you to verify email. So when you are verifying, okay, let me try something. 0 0 0 0. I hope the number works. No, that's not the number. We'll go this way. Six 630. Yeah, that's it. Then go. Oh wow, lucky. Then we'll do this. I'm actually signing up for someone. So we'll go next. Then I'll create pin. Just create pin. I'm just creating something I can remember. You mustn't use the same pin. I'm just using this for the purpose of this video. So yeah, exactly. So you enable location, enable everything they ask you to enable. Just enable it. So for this, you verify an identity. The best one to use as a Nigerian, use NIN. So the next thing you need to do right now is I will need to copy the NIN number. It's the easiest. As you can see, I've pasted the NIN number now. So I'll just click on continue. Processing. It might not show you successful. This is what you need to do. Just watch out. Let's wait for it to show. You can see there is no message, nothing. Then just slide down your screen. You can check your screen, check. You can see it shows verification successful. That means your account is okay, it's ready. So what you need to do is do this, close the app, open the app again. This one, it's not like the other one that's crash every now and then. The old one doesn't really crash, and like the new, you can see now the interface has changed. It's no more showing verify account or something, so that means this account is verified. So here now, the next thing you just need to do is you go and top up. If you're using if you are using two phones, then you go back to the new application. Once you go back to the new application, then you click on activate card. So for those who are using, so for now, what you need to do to avoid installing and uninstalling every now and again, just make sure you top up first. Just top it up. You can just say, well, to top up, this is where you see the top up. This is top up button here. Top up, click top up. Then you now said, okay, I'm topping up 2,000, for example. What you now need to do is continue. Once you click continue, it will come up with something like this. It always come up with temporary account number. It's not always the same. Just take note. Don't go and save this number and keep sending money to it. You lose your money. Always make sure you wait for this account number before you try anything. So once you see this account number, just copy it, then go and fund this account. Once you fund it, it will ask you to confirm if you funded it. You say yes, okay, funded. So that means the money, within a minute or two, the money will drop in this account. You see it here. So once the money drops here, the next, you need to fund. The mistake some people keep doing is they will say their card is not activating, meanwhile they've not even funded their account. So you need to fund the account before you go for activation. So after you do that, uninstall this. Once you uninstall this, then you install the other app, which is here. The other app is around here. You come here, the app is here. This is it. And install. App installed. So you log in, allow notification. You come here, you pick Nigeria, you use the same phone number you use. Oops, 05. Make sure you use the complete phone number except the first 0. Continue. Then I'll use the same PIN. So you can see it will now say you should update email. Yes, this is where the main issue is for those saying you can only use your iPhone. And you will see how I will run this now. Then you click update email, verify ID number. That's the NIN number which we use. This is the same NIN number you use on the old app. That's what you're using here. Then you click continue. Email address, you now go for email address. I need to use an email that is on this phone. Use an email. Okay, I know the email I'm going to use. Please use an email you have access to. I didn't really add the email on this phone. Oh, okay, this is what I'll do. I'll use another email. I don't want to use the Yahoo mail. Okay, I know what to do. Let me use this. Okay, I'll be using this email. No, this is what I'm using. I just want to be sure the email is on my phone so that I don't shoot myself in the leg because it's someone's account. So continue. Yeah, so now we'll check this email. Open email, go to Gmail, go to that account, open the account. Where is it? Okay, now you go to spam. Sorry, spam message. What am I doing? Spam message. This is it. You can see this is it here. For those saying they don't receive the email, this is the email I've received already. I can decide to move it to my inbox instead of staying in spam, but let me just click verify. That's the most important thing. You can see account is verified. Then I'll click on activate card. So simple. Once you found the account already, once you click activate card, please don't click on activate card when you've not found. Sometimes if you click the activate card, it will not go through. Then when you fund, they will debit you for the initial one you made. Then they will now debit you for after you've already funded. So that means you'll be getting double charges. They don't even mind charging you 3 times. So please take note of this. So it is very, very important. So once you click on activate card, your card will be activated. So to fund the amount you want to use to trade on Paybase now, all you need to do is go to the old app, fund the account via the old app again. So that's the issue with using one phone. So that means you still have to uninstall this app, then install the old one again, then you fund, then you come back to this app. And you don't really need to come back to this app. The most important thing you need this app for has been done. So you can just uninstall it, then install the older one, so that you can just be using that one to fund. Then you run your transaction. Once transaction is up, you can just go and run your transaction with ease. So I hope if there is anything you don't understand in this video, drop it in the comment section. And if I'm sorry, I said earlier that I will be showing you the version of this new app. I think I have the screenshot somewhere. I'm not sure. Okay, let me just show you how it looks like. Oh, this is not it. Yeah, this is it. Oh, I screenshotted it before it. Okay, this is what I will do. Let me show you. Okay, you actually saw it when I was installing it. Let me show you. You saw it when I was installing it. It will show here. You see the version 3.0.5, which I think I did already earlier in the video, but still okay to show you. It's delaying. It's because I have it active. I was supposed to uninstall first before doing this. So you can see the version here, 3.0.5. if you watch here, you can just take the video back a bit. When you check here, you see 3.0.5. so that's the app you need to download. You can search on Google, you'll see it there. You see different websites dropping down. So in the video description section, I will drop the link for the old one, which you need to download. The old one is actually easier to use, but you just need both. There is no way you can work without one of the two. So that's how to go about it. So if you are a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, just don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on notification, because I'll be dropping updates on Dash once everything is okay. And I believe you all want to make profit. For those who knows Dash, you know the amount of profit they make on Dash. So don't joke with this update. It's something very, very cool. It's coming soon, don't worry. Just click on that notification button, turn it on. Also click on share button, share with your friends and family. You may not be the first one to see, they may see it earlier before you and they can notify you. So that's one good thing about sharing with them. Don't be stingy with the updates. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. See you in my next video. Watch out.